Wee! Oh, wait, it's coming. Alright, watch this. It's gonna be perfect. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another unboxing video. I know you guys were waiting for my travel videos, but that's in process. I will finish that. It's a lot of editing to be done, so that will come in later. But right now, we're gonna be unboxing my new phone. So a couple of days ago on Instagram, I did a poll asking for a new phone, and a lot of my followers were recommending me the latest iPhone 11. Now me, I'm not an Apple guy. I don't like Apple. I'm more of an Android guy. My last phones were Samsung because I like the Samsung camera. I like the Samsung displays. Samsung phones are nice, but I wanted to like switch things up. And one guy recommended me the Asus ROG Phone 2. And I looked it up and it looked pretty promising. It looked too good to be true. So guess what I did? I ordered it and now I'm here to unbox it. You wanna pass the phone to unbox it? Bro, this is a knife. The phone, please. I need to unbox the phone. Bro, you already opened it?
Yeah.
Why do I need this then? All right, so this is the phone. Let's go ahead and open the packaging. So this phone I got is not the global version, it's actually the Chinese version. I believe the company is called Tencent. So it's almost the same, it's just a couple of differences I'll tell you guys throughout the video. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Ooh, it's snug in there. You don't need that. Here's the phone. It looks pretty sexy. I guess I need this, you know. Ooh, look at that. Tencent Games, Asus, Republic of Gamers in all its glory. Packaging looks pretty nice. You don't need this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. ROG. Not bad, not bad. What is this? Nah. I gotta see the phone first. I believe that's the phone. Comes with the charger, pretty standard. USB-C cable, which I like. I'm a fan of USB-C. Unlike Apple, who still does Lightning port. Even with this latest iPhone 11 Pro. I don't get it. Apple, what are you guys doing? Yeah, let's check out the other box. I believe there's paperwork inside. Once I figure out how to open this. Yeah, Tencent Games, the Chinese version. If you guys can read Chinese, this is for you guys. I can't read Chinese. I don't even read English instructions, so. Oh yeah, this. I believe that's a case for the phone. Let's open this up. Okay, so it comes with this nice clear case. I usually don't put cases on my phone anymore. I started using D-brand skins, but this looks pretty nice, so maybe I will use this. Let's unbox the phone itself. Oh yes, that's always pleasing. Wait, there's more. There's more. Yes, there it is. Okay, so that's the phone. It's actually like it's pretty sturdy, it's pretty heavy, but I like the weight of it. If you're a gamer, you might dig the design. Some people will dig it, some people won't dig it. It's not as slick as the iPhone or the Samsung, but I feel like it's pretty flashy. Ah, that's so good. Let's boot this up. Okay, while we wait for the boot, this phone was actually like incredible on paper. Like the specs are crazy, like Snapdragon 855. This version of the phone is 8 gigs of RAM. I know the global version is 12 gigs of RAM. Storage is 1 terabyte of UFS 3.0 storage. So that's like crazy. And you got like 2 cameras, a normal lens camera, 48 megapixels, and the wide angle, which is 13 megapixels. And the front camera is 24 megapixels, I believe. All right, so this is what the phone looks right out of the box. It's pretty clean, like it's like incredible. Another thing I was excited about was the 120 Hz refresh rate on this phone, which is, I think this is the only phone that has it. I'm not sure, but this looks pretty sick. So this is my last phone. Like, as you guys can tell, it's pretty beat. Like, there's like scratches. I actually like dropped it a couple times, especially in Iceland. So now it doesn't work great, but yeah, I wanted to upgrade. It's been like 2 years since I have had this phone. I usually upgrade my phones every 2 years. I'll try to show you guys, but like the refresh rate difference is crazy. I don't know if it'll come on the camera, but using it, it's so nice. Like, it's so smooth, you guys can't believe it. This phone's actually 800 Canadian dollars. So like, just for comparison, look at all the specs. Also, a 6,000 milliampere hour battery. It also has a built-in fingerprint sensor, so like, check this out. I'm not gonna say it's super fast, but it's actually pretty fast for like the budget of this phone. What else is there? There's like 3 USB-C ports in this phone. Like, let me take this out. There we go. It's coming out. Okay.
That's what she said.
So there's 2 USB-C ports in here for charging, but I believe like you can only use one of them, because I believe for data transfer and charging, the other one is for accessories. So there's one USB-C port here for charging, and there's one here. Also has a headphone jack. So there's that. If you're casually using, you can charge from here. If you're gaming, boom, charge from here. So this is Asus's Armory crate. So let's go in there. So if you go to the console, this basically talks about like the CPU temperatures, overclocking, etc. Since it is a gaming phone, so you need to know what your temperatures is, what your CPU temperature is, what's the GPU like. So all your settings are here. You can go, there's battery timing here, storage, etc. You see this? That's pretty fancy, that's pretty flashy. So you can turn on the lights here. You can customize your lights for this. There's also a vent here. In case your phone gets too warm, it can vent. A lot of the users will use it for gaming. So let's hop into a game, Asphalt. Totally forgot about the front series speakers. Like, what does this phone not have? Okay, so if you can go Game Genie, we can actually like customize the air trigger buttons. Oh my god, that's crazy. So when you like actually press the air triggers, there's like a bit of vibration going on, so you know they're triggered. So you can actually use them during gameplay. For instance, in this game, they can act as like a drift mode, or like you can tap for nitros just from these triggers that are like right here. Ooh, see, it's drifting, it's drifting. I did that. All right, that's it. But I'm just gonna put this case on and start using it. That's if you guys want a full-fledged review, comment below, let me know. All right, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know how to end it.